All right, hello everyone. Michelle Schmidt here from Scrappy Soul Sister, and I have an unboxing video today using the My Creative Scrapbook November limited edition kit. Oh my gosh, I can't believe how fast this year is going by. But for November, I am excited that we have the 49 and Market and Vicki Boutin Curiosities in Willow Grove. And so let's get to it. Let me separate these out and let's go over the papers first, starting with this stunner. So most of these papers, I believe, are from the starters pack, and it might be the complete starters pack because it looks like we have 1 through 10. There's 9. And that's a bonus, and 10. So that might be, yeah, that's the complete starter pack. And so let's start with paper 1, which is this gorgeous floral. And thankfully there are a lot of florals in this kit, or else I would have to fussy cut this. That still might happen. And then on the back, oh, this is so pretty too. And I love the ticket strip down at the bottom. So I can tell already this is going to be hard to make choices. This is the paper 2, and this has the watercolor swatches. So pretty. I love the fall colors. And then on the back is this medallion print with it looks like a reddish pink and a yellowy orange. And then it has a torn paper for the strip at the bottom. Now this one, I love her daisy paper. So this almost has like coneflower influences with a lovely teal background. And then this is gorgeous as well. Decisions are going to be hard. And so I love the, the look of an old letter and other mixed media influences through here, and the leaves, so pretty. So this could be a companion piece, and so it has a lot of that same influences that I was talking about on a notebook page, lots of mixed media colors in there. And then on the back, I have not, one of the reasons why I'm excited about this, I have not watched any of the release videos or walkthroughs, so this is a surprise for me. So I really, so you can use this as mats, but I love all of the elements. You can, cut it and use it on a couple different papers and have, your photo placement right there, or you can use this piece here. And so this must be the companion piece for this. So you can see, you guys probably all know so much more about this line than I do, but that would make a great 2-page layout. And this could be kind of your focal pictures, etc., your title. I love this little swag up on top. And then this with the orange and pink. Now there was something similar in Flower Emporium to this. And so, but I used the opposite page on that of that paper. And so maybe I'll use this because I do love the kind of wrinkled appearance. I just think it's really pretty. And look at the trees and the scribbled hills, so cute, and how layered it looks right from the get-go. More ledger look over here. And the color palette is just really, and I said that and then I turned it over and wow, there's purple. But everything else I've looked at, is really pretty muted. And so, and then we have the purple. So for those of you who want a little color in your life, it pulls out from the swatches on this piece. Hello Friend banner down below. Very pretty. So this is like 2 different customers, right? So this one is probably an easy choice depending on your personality. And then we have this beautiful layered piece with all of the paper in the background stacked. I really like this soft green. And then on the other side, so there we go, right? I love the alphabet. So that one's going to be hard too. I don't know if I want to do a 2-page spread. And just I think it says Miss, and I can't read it, it's French, but it's just so proper feeling, right? And then we have our tag sheet. And so this side has a lot of the patterns, etc., that you can use for stacking. And then we have this with the square tops that you can also embellish or you can use for journaling. We have our 3x4s that you can use as is, or you can cut out the images. I love the little frame, the leaves that match the rest of the collection, the camera, and then on the back is this lovely green with an all over leaf print. And then we have our 4x6s. So nice that there are some horizontal options as well as some vertical for journaling. And then I really like this. And so it's really not my typical jam, but I saw it when I took this out of the plastic and I thought, oh, I do like it. And the little small florals has just a hint of a warm color through there. And then the barcode strip is very user-friendly as well. And then your bonus sheet is this printed, I keep trying to say script, but obviously it is just printed sayings and lots of on the horizon, happy, laughter. So, and then a ticket strip at the bottom. So that is all the papers. You get quite a bit of the embellishments in with the kit as well. So if you haven't been getting, if you haven't gotten this collection, this is a great way to do it because it's really curated and you don't have to feel like you have to buy everything, but you get the best of the best. So we have the icons and titles ephemera set. So many great images. There's 152 pieces. And so it has the great titles: Enjoy the View, See the Good Things, Hello, Observations from This Day, lots of owls, mushrooms, butterflies, florals, lots of little critters. So lots of really pretty pieces in here. And then we have the laser cut foliage. Let me open this up. And so it shows all the images here. There are 4 sheets for 142 pieces. And this is your bonus sheet for your cut aparts. Some great round frames, some rectangular frames, a couple of word strips. And then you can cut out the interiors and use them as little tags or layering pieces, or you can leave them in the frames. And so here are the 4 pages of floral bits. So obviously lots of great flowers. I love these little tape looking pieces. Those are a great way to highlight your tags or 3x4 cards or your clusters. And then a couple of titles: Good Things Are Coming, Take in the View, a few little word strips. And then this page Maybe it would help if I would get some of this other clutter out of here. So this one has more of the flowers. It also has some autumn leaves and a few more word strips. Discover, love time spent with you, another good day. Just really, really pretty florals in this floral laser pack. What is that? Okay, and this is the laser cut elements. So let's pop this open. So here is the bonus piece, more frames, but also a few of these little elements that you can cut out that look like they already have washi tape on them. I love the little mouse and owl, dragonfly, and then we have our butterflies and our little sayings. And again, you can either cut out the frame as is, leaving the interior, or you can cut out those interior pieces as well. Here is the first page. So page 1 and 2. Lots of title options. That's great. Typewriter. So more icons through here, a banner, your cameras, some stars, daily reminder, remember today, go after your dreams, some tickets. And then the other page, some great pieces to use under your embellishment clusters, whether they're like in a cluster that you could use this one here with the round holes or the triangles. Those are really cute. Or if you're doing more of a vertical cluster, then you have some longer pieces. You have some elements that you can, if you're doing like a 1 through 6, you can use these. Some little banners that you can use for base for embellishments, collection of moments, and then a lot of little sayings that you can punch out. So lots of great pieces from that collection. I'm so excited to jump into this Curiosities in Willow Grove, but that is not all. You also get a stencil, a big leaf stencil, so that'll be fun to play with. You receive your flowers. And so this month you get 2 from Little Birdie. And so this one has one out of a pattern paper as well as some ivory. And you know, the ivory goes really well with the collection, but it dyes really well if you want to spray them to a different color. And then this is the other one, again, more ivory, but also some mint and some pink and some lavender. So lots of great flowers there. And then we get this set from Prima that has more of a wine color, a light plum, and then a light pink in these. So lots of great product in this November limited edition kit. It will not last long, so go ahead and take a look at the My Creative Scrapbook website. I will have the link in the description, and go and check out all those kits. So I will also be sure to put the 4 layouts that I create at the end of this video so you can see all the fun things that you can do. So enjoy, and hit like or subscribe if you so choose. I would appreciate it, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you, everyone.